Hello. Hello.
So you want to learn how to code in something other than Scratch?
No, I don't care about this coding stuff. You.
Anyways, let's talk about coding in C++, but only a boring part, specifically how to render a window, and sprites. If you don't know what a window is, it is a box that is on your computer screen. It is where you will see your game. If you also don't know what a sprite is, it can be a lot of things, such as a character, background, item, or more. So the first thing we need for this is SFML. It will do the rendering for us. Kinda. To get SFML, go to sfmldev.org and find the install destination, and install it. Now that you have it, you need to make a script. Find a programming program to program your games. To use C++ in Visual Studio, click File, New, Project, and change the language to C++. So now we have to make a script to render the window. And we have to start with this script. Now let's inspect this. We are including SFML graphics with those arrows, which are indicating that's the part you are including. So now that we have it included in the script, we need to use it in another script. We need to int main. Int sets a variable or object at the start of your script, but it has to be an integer, which means it can't hold decimal numbers, only whole numbers. And I am now realizing I haven't explained what rendering is, so I'll get someone to tell you.
Hey, I'm Mr. Egg. I'm from America. I am here to teach you about what rendering a sprite is. So this dog right here is Carol. She likes to put ball, and rendering means to draw something, like Carol, to the screen. Thanks, Crafted, for having me on this funny cameo. If you're wondering why I sound different, I recorded this at different times.
Back to the script. Now we need an open bracket. Inside these brackets is where the code belongs. Now we have to draw the window sprite. We need the SF function paired with the rendering one. We need to make it recognize as an app, so after that we tell it it's rendering an app. So we'll add app after that. Now we need another open bracket, a normal one this time. Now we need to tell it that while the app is open, it will do another set of events. And then we tell the code that if the window is closed, to close the window. Otherwise, fill the screen with black. And then if that is successful, return exit success. And now it's time to render the sprite. So first we load a texture. Try to make it from an assets directory. Now we need to print a message if the sprite loading fails. Could not load should work. Another method is by using the sfSprite function and the name of the sprite. Using that, you can use the name of your sprite, .set position, and some numbers for the position of it. Now you always want to clear the window after drawing the sprite, otherwise it might look like this. But hey, now you know. And make sure to like and subscribe.